Hey guys, if you want to see how I created these beautiful dot art earrings, keep watching. Thanks so much for joining me today. So I'm on my mission on trying my patience with dot art, and I'm using Americana paint and a pouring medium to coat the discs. So I've got these tools and I'll list everything in my description box. These are wooden discs that I've also got from Amazon, and I will list them down below for you. So for the base of the mandalas or the discs, I'm using just ivory black, which is craft paint. That is any craft paint you can use, and I've coated both sides of this disc. I've cut out a round paper from the original shape of the or the size of the disc, and folded it to get the exact center point for my disc so that I don't go off center when I'm actually doing my mandala dots. So all these tips I've actually picked up from other mandala or dot art artists, and it's always about learning and getting inspired. So basically this is just of any random design that I'm doing, and you can really do anything with dot art, and it's just what you want to do. And I've said this before as well, this is quite a difficult technique because it does require a lot of patience, and I have had a lot of feedback from other artists saying that most artists they don't have that patience and then just give up. And that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to have a little bit of more patience with my art, and I found this technique to be just that. It kind of slows you down because there is no room for error here, because every little dot that's offset or is not in the right place or is not the right size will show up, because it's done on usually most techniques or most dot arts that I've seen have been done on black, ivory black, so the color pops. Yeah, so I'm just learning, I'm still learning, and it is a very difficult technique. I'm not gonna lie about this. So really I've done both the earrings now, and it's just that simple. You just do one style and then you just do an exact copy on the other one, but you have to make sure that you don't or you do kind of pay attention, and this is where the patience comes in, that you are actually doing exactly the same thing, which is hard for artists because you can't really repeat what you've done before. But this is the whole thing with dot art, it's just that way. And so I'm gonna coat these little earrings that I've made now, and I'm using the DecoArt clear pouring top coat, and it's a bit like Mod Podge, and all I do is I just pour it on top and I swirl it around, and it looks quite messy that I'm doing it with my bare hands and it's getting all gooey and all, but it's not that bad. And all you have to do is let it set for about 24 hours and it will clear up, and it will leave a really nice shine to the whole whatever you're making. So I mean, you can make earrings, you can make keychains, and I'll show you soon what I've done with my other ones. And so this was just to show you. I'm gonna let it dry, and maybe in my next video I'll show you how they turned out. And really you just have to wait for 24 hours and you will see this is what they look like now. So here is the earring that I'm wearing in the image that you saw before, and you can see that really nice glossy shine, and it's coated it, and it's a really nice hardened top, and it leaves a nice finish to it. So I think that's a nice way of making something that you can wear. And this is a keychain that I've made, and also the same technique, just use whatever colors I felt like, and I used a different base for that, and I used a copper bronze for that, and these ones are red base with turquoise dots on them. So dot art is really that simple. Also I think these earrings make a really nice boho chic look, which I really like. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think. And thank you so much for all the love so far. I hope you have a great weekend and all my love. Until my next video, take care guys. Bye.